Welcome to this lesson. Aipylet is the hashtag, and we want AI to help us soar. This lesson is building your first Python AI agent, and so there are 4 dependencies that we need to look at, lines 5 through 8, which show us that we're going to be using LangChain OpenAI by importing OpenAI. We'll use LangChain.agents by opening or importing initialize, agent, tool, and agent type. Then from LangChain community.tools, we're going to import DuckDuckGo search run. And then from LangChain.prompts, we're going to import prompt template. Okay, so once we got all of those and we have installed our LangChain dependencies, then we can get the API key from the secrets. But you don't need to actually get put anything here manually, because Replit is going to handle it automatically when you use the secrets. So if you navigate to your secrets, you're going to be able to create this new secret by clicking on the new secret tab. Is called OpenAI API key, and then you'll put your secret key there, and it'll prompt you to add the secret afterwards. This one is already added, so there's no need to do anything more than that. Okay, then next we want to initialize the LLM. The LLM equals the OpenAI with a temperature of 0. Then after that, first thing we want to do is create a search tool for the agent. So we'll do search equals DuckDuckGo search run. That's the search tool. And then the tool actually that we're going to use is a web search, and we'll do search.run. And the description is search the internet for current information, use specific search terms related to AI technology in airlines. So we want to specifically target this type of search. Okay. And then we want to initialize the search agent. The search agent will use this initialize agent method, and then we'll have attributes tools, LLM, agent. And we use this agent type .0 react description. And then it'll be verbose is true. The max iterations is 3, so it doesn't loop forever. And then early stopping is to generate. Then number 4 is the analysis agent. So not only do we want to do the research, but then we want to also do the analysis. So using the direct LLM call, we'll go ahead and do an analysis prompt. And here's the template. Use the prompt template. Input variables as data. And the template analyze the following research data and explain its business impact. Okay, so we'll get that data from there. And then we'll print starting multi-agent search and analysis workflow. So after it does that, then it's going to research. It's going to go through the research phase with the invoke method. Then it'll search for AI technologies in airline industry 2025, predictive maintenance, artificial intelligence, machine learning, automation. So once it does that, then it's gonna do the analysis phase. It's gonna do the formatting. Okay, and then you invoke with the formatted prompt, and then print out the results. let's look at the results here in the console. So the environment is gonna load when you hit run, and you'll see that it gives you a little deprecation warning, basically saying, hey, LangChain agents will continue to be supported, but it's recommended that you use LangGraph for future or new use cases, because it's supposed to be more flexible, and it's a full-featured framework, for building agents. So yeah, so definitely start leaning towards using LangGraph instead. Now it starts the multi-agent research and analysis workflow, entering the new agent executor chain, and then it does the web search, and then it does the thinking, after it gets the observation. So once it gets all this information, it says, I should read through the results to gather the information. So it gets the input, I should say, about the airline industry 2025 predictive maintenance, artificial intelligence, machine learning, automation. It pulls that in from the DuckDuckGo search. Okay. And then here's another observation, and then think some more, and then it's actually look for any recent news articles or studies on the topic. So it does that. It gets more observation, it gets information about papers and articles. And here's the final thought. AI technologies and industry are expected to play a significant role in predictive maintenance, automation, and machine learning by 2025. So then after it's finished the chain, it's going to print out the research results and then the business impact. So it does the business impact, and it gives all that information that we need to know. So machine learning, which involves using algorithms to analyze data and make predictions, can also have a significant impact on the airline industry. By analyzing data from various sources such as weather patterns, flight schedules, and passenger data, AI can help airlines make more informed decisions about flight routes, fuel consumption, and other operational factors. This can lead to cost savings and improve efficiency. Okay. And so this is a good analysis. Tell me what you think. Put your ideas in the comment section. How you think this was completed, and if you were able to do it as well. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll just see you next time.